Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me Tembeka from Yizogam. Today's video is about Unaledi and Andile the DJ. This guy is Andile Ngobo, DJ from Inanda, where Naledi Aphiwe came from. He allegedly said Naledi owes him a money. When Naledi saw the post, she responded, "Don't waste your breath correcting malicious rumors about yourself. Some people are determined to bring you down, no matter what. Instead of trying to set the record straight, just laugh it off and focus on your own truth. Remember, you can't control what others think or say, but you can control how you react." And she added up on a comment section, "At this point, I'm done with everything. Kholwane enukukholwayo." Then after hours, she posted, "Eish, I didn't want to tell you guys this ngoba bekuzokwandisa izinkulumo, but yeah, Andile has tried several times, but ngoba ngicabangela igama lakhe nesithunzi sakhe emphakathini ngathula. It's fine. Kholwane enukukholwayo namanje ngisasho." And there was a harsh voice record that was trending, insulting Andile, calling him by names. Nenja yesifo Ntontoni. If it's you, Naledi, never ever do that again. You are a celeb now. Guys, I won't say that much because I never heard anything on Naledi's side except Andile has tried several times, then she stopped. Fortunately, they paid half of Andile's money and the rest is on their way. I thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and press notification button to be the first to see whenever I upload it. Bye you.